Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Don't close the book when bad things happen in your life, just turn the page and begin a new chapter. When obstacles arise, you change your direction to reach your goal. You don't change your decision to get there. You can't change what you did before, but you can change what you do next. Life is like a book. Some chapters are sad, some are happy, and some are exciting. But if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter holds. Keep going, everything comes to you at the right time. Life is difficult because we don't appreciate the things that come easily. Life is not about being rich, being popular, or being highly educated. It's about being real, humble, and kind. Great things never come from comfort zone. Keep going, everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Laughing 5 times with your mom is like all the problems are gone. Change your thoughts and you can change your world. Never be afraid to do the things that makes you feel free. Overthinking is the biggest cause of our unhappiness. Keep yourself occupied. Keep your mind off things that don't help you. Think positively. Satisfaction consists in freedom from pain, which is the positive element of life. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. When life puts you in tough situations, don't say, "Why me?" Say, "Try me." I find joy in every day not because life is always good, but because God is. God gave us the ability to not just try. No one can predict how far will you go in life, but God has a funny way of giving them a hint. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. Only I can change my life, no one else can do it for me. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man without trials. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. You cannot cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. It is often the small steps, not the giant leaps, that bring about the most lasting change. We should learn to accept that change is truly the only thing that's going on always and learn to ride with it and enjoy it. Change isn't always comfortable, but it is a fact of life. People change, so learn to accept that not everybody is who you once knew. True life is lived when tiny changes occur. Life is a dragon to the edge of knowledge, then a leap taken. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take, relationships we're afraid to have, and the decisions we waited too long to make. We must be willing to let go of the life or blind so as to have the life that is waiting for us. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Nothing can dim the light which shines from within. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want.